on the freeway. Oh, Murcielago.
What the? Rodeo, Beverly Hills. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We're gonna do it LA, Beverly Hills to start it off tonight. Get ready, hang on. It's been a minute since we've been here, and apparently the HPD have been all over a few of our friends down here for no front plate, and neither of these cars have a front plate. However, we're from Canada, and legitimately, the province, Alberta, doesn't even issue 2 plates. You only get 1. So I might have to explain that. You think they'll listen? Say hi to Cyber Garage. Good to be back. Good to be back, Kevin. Doors that go up. Hey, how you doing? Oh, look at you, even brought out all the blue.
Yes, sir. Blue Beauty's in the house.
What is this?
Checking my oil.
You're doing Rodeo Drive oil changes?
Yeah, I opened a little service.
Yo, a little service center? That's what we got going on here?
Got it.
I did for you.
Look at this.
Need an oil change?
Yeah. Whoa.
Lube and filter. It makes no sense, but it's dirty.
Lube and filter, Kevin. Kevin just shakes his head.
We're down a liter of oil.
A liter? You have to speak in terms that people in the U.S. understand.
And a tenth of a gallon?
A quart.
It's 1914.
Dude, it's a
Ah, Harry, we need a newspaper that says a quart of oil.
Whoa. It's not officially a night in Beverly Hills until you see a brand new Rolls Royce. Yeah. It is. Hey, what's up? It's our friend from the Astoria.
The video, the vlog.
Yeah, the vlog. He's been in it twice.
That's awesome.
You guys check it out. SLS. Look at this. Man, the gull-wing doors on this car are just so bad. And this car's got such like a throaty, you know, that AMG like, I don't know. I can't make the noise obviously, but it sounds awesome. Yeah. You'll fire it up? Yeah. All right. Yeah, I like that. Sounds so good. Okay, guys, well, hey, drive safe, stay out of trouble. Later, bro. See you guys. Nice little exit. Pop, pop, pop. Look at this. I don't know, man. Coincidence, 3rd time flyover. I didn't film it. Every time that thing flies over now, I'm filming it. It's getting weird. Don't trust the luxury bird.
The luxury bird.
Oh, heads up, I saved your life.
Oh, the G-Wagon, what?
Brand new one. Urus. Look at that, Urus. You know what? I haven't seen many Uruses on the road yet.
Those things they've been modifying already. They already have a tune for it, performance tune.
Of course they do.
So.
Audi was silent but deadly.
Silent but deadly.
Fired up. Holy shit.
That was good.
That's what's up. You ready to go?
Yeah. You want to go?
If I had my M3, I have an E90, I'd run with you guys, but I have my daily, my 5 Series, the one that ripped up and down here a little bit.
I think it's cool.
Yeah, but you know.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
Hold on, your daily's a what?
5 Series, a 540i.
And you're currently driving a what?
E90 M3.
Beverly Hills.
I know where I'm going, dude.
I know where I'm going. Want to follow me? What do you think?
Oh my gosh, it's crazy.
What?
I love it, man.
Mercy life, bro.
Oh my
And then manual gearbox. You can grab it. I think I have the park brake on, yeah. Just put your foot in, put the clutch in all the way. There you go. Oh my god. Yeah, yeah. You can play with that. I'll put gas in for you, sir. Pardon me, sir. Let me fill up your tank, okay? Credit card. I need a credit card. What do we got? What do we got? We got blue?
Your favorite combination, blue on blue?
Oh, you know who got me addicted to these?
On blue.
Alex from Sheepy. Eats these like a bag or
sauce.
like a bag or two a day, yeah, with the hot sauce. And then we've got the Energizer. Hold on.
Big chips.
I got the big chip and the big drink. You got the little and the little and the tiny.
There's an expression for this. It's called portion control.
Yeah.
Who was ready for that one?
Wasn't me. Wasn't me. That lady in there is like, I think she's calling the cops. Sorry. Sorry.
We're at the gas station. You already showed up. Revved his exhaust, scared everybody. I apologize to...
What's your name?
I'm Kristen.
So now we're gonna make up to her with a car, a ride in the supercar, which is like, I drive manual, so she's gonna drive. This is a V8 R8.
Okay.
6-speed gated manual. So it's really cool when you shift. There's actually like a gate it has to go through.
Okay. That's right. Oh
There you go.
yes. Oh yes.
You ready?
All right, let's do this.
Just press that button on there. It's
right.
old. You have to actually turn ignition.
Wow.
Press the actual physical button right there.
Whoa.
It was like, what?
Are you serious?
My 2 Series doesn't have that. Yeah,
No,
it's old.
this is like
This is a
what?
2009.
What? Okay, I see. Okay.
yeah. Hop
All right,
in there.
sick. All right. Oh yeah.
He didn't tell you this is a supercar, did he?
Yes, it is a supercar. The engine's in the back. There you go.
Wow.
I'm gonna hop on that side.
Wow.
There you go. We're not wasting any time. We're about to have a rodeo pullover, BHPD. That'll be good for the first experience in a supercar.
This is awesome.
Yeah? It's loud, isn't it?
It is so loud.
Rev it.
Just.
Yeah. She's very comfortable. We were just chatting about this car, and she's like, is it weird seeing a girl drive? I said, no, because Amelia drives it. She goes, Amelia? I'm like, yeah, Amelia Hartford? I'm like, yeah. She goes, they've worked together. They know each other. I thought LA was big. I thought LA had lots of people. And now everybody just knows each other.
Well, the cool kids know each other.
That's true. Shout out to Amelia. So how are you enjoying the R8 right now?
This is incredible. I guess I was at the right place, right time, because
Apparently. You're just getting off work and buying some gas.
I mean, literally, like I'm on call right now. I'm getting paid to drive
Really?
this supercar. I mean, only a Canadian will let me drive this supercar, let's be honest.
Possibly. We're back.
I'm gonna take it around one more time.
Oh, she's not done yet. Oh my God. She literally drives this car very well. Kristen's definitely not shy. Okay, that was it. Did you enjoy that first supercar experience?
Amazing.
I'm caught in wires, and this is actually part of a tire.
I was like, wow. She was killing it out
She was
there. Did you
killing
guys-
it.
I was
She
amazed.
scared the out of me.
But she drove and she was hitting 4th gear going to Beverly Hills. We were like, oh my
She
God.
was-
This is a twin turbo Cadillac Escalade. You gotta see.
Dude, it's a
No!
It's a twin turbo. 800 horsepower. Have you not noticed the most important thing yet? The sticker.
No. Yep.
Is this a...
That
makes sense.
You did this.
Close your
She's
hood.
on her phone being all quiet over there. Look what you did. You look at it.
Posting the
Look
video.
at
I'm
it.
posting the evidence right now.
I never knocked on nobody.
Alex Choi.
There's a lady cop right there. Dude, lady cops? Oh my God, I'm terrified. They'll take you to jail.
Let's go say hi to her. Leon's 570 is doing McLaren things. Electronics. Gone frunky. It's like if you buy McLaren, just get ready for the electronics to go. Actually, Dave, show them how the electronics go. What are you doing? Is he putting? Oh, come on! Troy put Red Bull in your car.
Damn. He's gonna give him wings.
If it was a different hat, I'd say trash it, but it's, yeah, you gotta respect the
Alright, don't worry, Troy. I got you later.
I got you later. You can't prank Troy. He can dish it. He don't like to take it. So, especially when.
This one.
Oh,
Hold him down, boy.
thanks for the chips. Hey, Dave, carry the chips for me.
Hey, hey, hey.
guys, be good. Troy on a motorcycle with no helmet. It's just oh boy. And the shenanigans, but like, is there anybody that's a friend of yours that doesn't have a PA system? And like,
yeah, every single friend in my friend group literally has a PA, thanks to me. I put one in everyone's cars. It's such a good way to communicate with people, because like on a regular car, you only get a turn signal and a honk, but like it's so like, you know, bland.
yeah.
So with the PA, you could do everything.
Send it. Make us proud, DD. Make DD proud. Co-pilot. Kevin's in the house. We gotta go get Dave some oil. The R8 needs more oil. Surprise, surprise. Took almost half a day and Dave already broke the car. You just can't beat that sound, can you? Mercy V12. Sound good? Yeah. How you doing?
I need oil.
I know. Lubricants.
The oil flare.
You need lubricants.
Where's the Vaseline?
Oh, it's in the Hummer.
Ah!
Damn it. We got the oil slayer.
That's why you slide that corner, Mr. Fryer.
Wasn't me. How's the ride, Kevin?
Fun. New challenge for you guys.
Yeah?
Get out of the car with no hands, arms, or shoulders.
Okay, go.
Hey, I'm gonna pull you.
Hold on.
I got it.
That's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
On the freeway.
Oh,
Mercy Lago.
What the?
Can you believe that?
Dude, whose is that?
It's my friend.
First of all, is he okay?
He was okay, thank God. He made it out
Yeah,
okay.
because I can't show this.
Yeah, no, this was on the 110 freeway by San Pedro.
Today?
Yesterday.
No.
Yeah. San Pedro. Oh, he's right, San Pedro.
Oh,
not
now
San Pedro.
you're the pronunciation
He
police?
knows the pronunciation. And here,
Joy.
look at the aftermath here.
So it happened on the freeway?
It was on the freeway.
So
he
that
lost
shut the
control,
whole freeway down.
Lost control, hit the center divider, burst into flames immediately. Yeah.
And that was an LP 640.
That was a 640, 2006 Murcielago.
That's really bad. Like,
You know-
what would you do if you were in a situation like that, Joy, and your car caught on fire like that?
Just run.
No, he wouldn't. You know what? He's a liar. It would be all over Snapchat.
So check it out, my friend Ben.
It would be burning, and he'd be in the car. He'd be like, "Hey guys, look how lit my car is," and it'd be like,
Yeah, they were playing my mixtape.
playing my mixtape.
So he runs back to his car and gets his cell phone out of the driver's seat before.
For real?
While it was on fire, I swear to God.
And is that how you got the video?
He called me afterwards, sent me the message. Yeah, shout out to Ben though, he made it out alive.
So Ben's a savage though, because Ben runs back. Dave, reenact this. Runs back to the burning Mercy. Run. That's how, why does Ben run like that? Why does Ben? He runs like.
that.
He runs like Tom Cruise. Do a Tom Cruise run.
Like a liquid
Sorry. He gets the cell phone, and then he walks only about 20 feet away from a burning car, and starts recording.
He had to do it for the gram. I mean, come on.
Is that what he did?
That's what it looked like. Wait, guys, right there. That was it.
The choice run is really good. All right. Well, Ben, I'm glad that you're okay. Your car's okay.
Yeah.
You guys.
Well, his car's not okay.
His car's not okay.
It's
You mean
insured.
he's okay, which is what's important.
No, but
his
then,
car's
like,
can be replaced.
I know your
people
pain.
can't
I
be
know your pain. I
replaced.
lost a Lamborghini recently. Not as dramatically as you, but
That's a tire.
That's all from inside Leon's wheel wells?
That's insane.
Yesterday.
You are a madman. Look at it all in there. Whoa! Dude.
That's enough for like a half of a tire.
I like it. Hey, we're gonna go do your favorite thing.
Don't you say tacos to me right now.
We're going to get tacos. Whoa! Whoa! What the hell? He did a 4, like, he got kind of lucky there, didn't he? Yeah. You hungry?
Supreme wrap. Let's get that.
Yeah, you hold that door open. You guys.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow, you're being really nice tonight. What the?
Oh, dude.
You know, he almost ran me on the freeway.
That's good. Where were you on that? Oh,
What's even happening? Who is this guy?
Oh.
Does that plate say I heart BHPD? Yeah. That's amazing.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna start this off.
What'd you get?
Taco Supreme.
You know what?
Then I got a burrito Supreme.
That's a really good taco. I've had one.
They're good.
Best taco I had in California is at Taco Bell.
No. Got some hot sauce. Let's go.
Hey, time to leave.
Yes, it is.
Party's over.
Party's over. Taco Bell was great. Boom. Shout out to Taco Bell.
Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him.
What was I saying?
What's gonna happen now?
Where are we?
Is Troy gonna die?
Who's Choi? Who are you?
Well,
Why do you
if
have
you
a
look-
camera?
there's a
Thanks
lot
for
of-
watching this episode. Blah, 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 blah.
What do they need to do?
I don't know.
They need to go and buy some
Go
merch.
buy merch.
What's the website?
DailyDrivenExotics.com.
No, it's not.
What?
How's that not?
He didn't pay for the
Make
merch.
a better website.
He got free merch.
DailyDrivenExotics.com.
Go to the website. It's shopdd.com.
That one. Okay, exactly.